Naturally Pacific. I'm here with an unboxing review in the car. And I asked my mother to be quiet. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I'll hold it up in the light. This is the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. But it can't be used as a 12th Doctor. That's alright. And I'm going to open it. Ow. Stab myself. Oh. Okay. That's scary. Alrighty. Here it is. Let me take it out of the rest of the packaging. So, here it is. And I think it has a... Okay. It has the secret book, the secret thing. The secret sounds, and... Yep, that's about it. My personal opinion, I think it's very detailed from what it is moving, despite it being plastic. It isn't a huge warning sign on the side that I can see, except in that tape, but I can take it off. Other than that, it's really cool. So yeah, I definitely suggest buying it. Yep, that's about it. Peace out.